Here to get some of this more of this lightning show out at going on at the Hanley Metrolink station. I've never quite seen the lightning like this before. And I've been living quite a while. Almost half a century at this point. Wow. The lights are kind of down here at the station are kind of drowning it out, but the more brilliant flashes can pretty easily be seen. That's a plane overhead. Hope it doesn't get hit by lightning or something. I think they're pretty well protected for that, these airplanes these days. Good. It's a pretty good one right there. I guess I'll keep filming for a little while till the bus comes. Just glad all this lightning isn't currently accompanied by a lot of rain right now. I wouldn't exactly be filming right now. Well, I think that's about enough of that. Take care again, YouTubers.